Have you ever wondered how the concept of artificial intelligence came into existence? It's a journey that takes us back to the ancient Greek myths of intelligent robots and automatons. These tales of human-like machines sparked the imagination of generations to come. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, the term artificial intelligence was coined during the Dartmouth Conference in 1956. This was the first official recognition of the field, and it marked the beginning of an era of groundbreaking advancements. Scientists started to build algorithms and machines that could mimic human intelligence. The Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing, became a defining method to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. Over the decades, AI has evolved from a theoretical concept to a practical tool, transforming everything from healthcare to transportation. Indeed, the journey of AI from myth to reality is as intriguing as it is inspiring. But how does AI impact our daily lives, you might ask? Well, let's start with our personal assistants. Siri and Alexa are not just voices in our devices. They're intelligent systems that can help us schedule meetings, find recipes, or even tell jokes. They learn from us, adapting to our habits and preferences over time. Then there's the way we shop and entertain ourselves. Ever wondered how Netflix always knows what to suggest for your next binge watch, or how Amazon seems to read your mind with product recommendations? That's AI at work, analyzing your behavior to predict what you might like. Let's not forget about autonomous vehicles, cruising down the highway without a human at the wheel. And in healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, silently working in the background, making our lives easier and more efficient. So it's clear that AI has become an integral part of our lives, whether we realize it or not. But wait, is AI really going to take over the world as some people fear? This is a common misconception, but let's dissect this myth. The fear of AI taking over the world stems from a misunderstanding of what AI really is. Artificial intelligence isn't a robot with a mind of its own, plotting to usurp humanity. It's a tool, a piece of technology that we've developed to perform tasks and solve problems more efficiently. Think of AI like a hammer. A hammer doesn't swing itself. It requires a human to pick it up and use it. In the same way, AI doesn't make decisions on its own. It's programmed by humans, for humans, and its actions are determined by the parameters we set. It's not sentient, it's not conscious, and it's certainly not plotting world domination. So let's put this myth to rest. In reality, AI is a tool that humans have created and control, not a sentient being with a mind of its own. Now, what does the future hold for AI in the next 10 years? Imagine a world where AI algorithms are even more sophisticated, able to learn, adapt, and even think in ways beyond our current understanding. A realm where AI is not just a tool, but a partner, capable of collaborating with humans to create, innovate, and solve problems on a scale that we've never seen before. Consider industries like healthcare, finance, and education, where AI could revolutionize processes, making them more efficient and personalized. Think of breakthroughs in AI research that could lead to machines understanding human emotions, or even predicting future events with unparalleled accuracy. AI has the potential to be more than just a technological innovation. It could be a social revolution, a catalyst for change in every aspect of our lives. The next decade promises a future where AI will be interwoven into the fabric of our society. The future of AI truly holds limitless possibilities. Before we wrap up, here are 5 intriguing questions about AI. Can you answer them? First, can you name an AI application that's used daily but often overlooked? Second, how does AI influence the world of finance? Third, in what ways is AI revolutionizing healthcare? Fourth, can AI ever replace human creativity? And finally, what's the most significant ethical concern surrounding AI? Take a moment to ponder. Now, for the answers. AI is extensively used in search engine algorithms. Finance relies on AI for algorithmic trading. AI in healthcare is improving diagnosis and treatment. Human creativity remains unique, although AI can generate creative content, and privacy is a major ethical concern with AI. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment your thoughts about AI in the comment section below. Also, check out our website beawarechannel.com for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video on AI in simulation technologies. Thanks for watching.